Guys, today we're making Chipotle bean salad, but before we get into it, please go down below, hit that red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now let's get started. So in a large mixing bowl, I'm going to mix 2.5 cups of red kidney beans, 2.5 cups of black beans, 2 cups pre-cooked corn, and 1/2 cup of red bell pepper. Now if you don't have black beans, you can substitute another 2.5 cups of red kidney beans. Give this a quick stir, and now I'm going to show you how to make the dressing. So here I have 1/2 cup of olive oil, the juice of 2 limes, so it's almost 1/3 cup, not exactly. I just grated some 2 cloves of garlic, and there's 1 teaspoon of salt in there. So we're gonna mix all this together, and this is going to be our dressing. And we're gonna pour the dressing over top. Give it another little stir. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of Southwest Chipotle seasoning. I'm using one from Mrs. Dash. If you don't have this available, I just posted a recipe for you above here where you can see how to make your own homemade dressing. Again, mix this up. This is 1 cup of sweet goat cheese. So this one here is a blueberry goat cheese, but you can use any sweet goat cheese that's available. You can use fig, maple, cranberry, I mean, name it. If it's sweet, you can use it. And we're just gonna crumble this. We're just gonna start crumbling this in. Goodness. So I have 1 avocado that's chopped up. Okay. You want to make sure you're adding your avocado and your goat cheese close to the time of serving the dish, because avocados will brown and the goat cheese sort of tends to melt and mix in with the rest of the salad. So in order for both of them to stand out, make sure you're doing it just before you serve. And you can add some parsley or cilantro for some added garnish. And that's it, your salad is ready. It's so quick to make and it goes great with various types of cuisine. So try out the recipe, let me know what you think. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course leave a comment down below. I always love to hear from you. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.